Lambie's our oldest sheep. She's a Shetland sheep, and she's a sweetheart. She's maybe 9 years old. She's our educational sheep. She has gone to many parades and Boy Scout camps. Beautiful. And she tolerates Wolfgang. Wolfgang gets a little worked up about the sheep sometimes, but Lamby, she doesn't put up with it. Lamby.